Alright, today I am going to be making spaghetti with meatballs with extra cheese right here. This right here is made by a friend of mine, Chef Boyardee. He's an Italian chef, friend of mine, went to school together. We're going to be making pasta and meatballs made with pork, chicken, and beef and tomato sauce. It's going to be absolute goodness with the extra cheese, spaghetti with meatballs, and I'm just going to throw something in the mix. Frank's Red Hot Original Cayenne Pepper Sauce. Red Hot. Frank's Red Hot. It's going to be absolute goodness. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put the cheese and the extra cheese to the side, and then I'm going to open up the fresh can of Chef Boyardee spaghetti with meatballs. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that smell good? You can see all the meatballs inside. Now, once I have it all opened up, I'm going to take one piece of the cheese. I'm just going to take the cheese, and then I'm going to place it on the bottom of the rapid ramen cooker that I have right here. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Frank's Red Hot, just a little bit, not too much, just to let it marination. And then I'm going to pour the Chef Boyardee spaghetti with meatballs on top. Make sure you pour it gently so you don't crush any of the ingredients. Alright, so once you have the spaghetti with meatballs inside of the rapid ramen cooker, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of the Frank's Red Hot right on top. Alright? And then I'm going to take, I already put the cheese on there, now I'm going to take the extra cheese and I'm going to place this on top of the recipe. Alright, now I'm going to look on the back because Chef Boyardee has his recommendation on how long it should cook. He says, pour pasta in a microwave safe bowl, which is the rapid ramen cooker that I have right here. Alright, cover, microwave on high for a minute and a half or until hot. Stir before serving. Handle carefully. It's hot. Alright? So, what we're going to do, I'm going to place this in the microwave. In there. And then I have my splatterproof resistant top that I'm going to place on top so it doesn't splatteration all over the microwave. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for a minute and a half like Chef Boyardee recommends. Alright, after a minute and a half, maybe a little bit longer, depending on how powerful your microwave is, I'm going to take it out, pull out the top, and then pull out the spaghetti with meatballs. Oh man, doesn't it look, I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see this. Look at that. The cheese, the extra cheese, the spaghetti, the meatballs. Absolute goodness. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a little bit of Frank Red Hot, but I'm also going to throw a little bit something extra in the mix. This is a little surprise. I don't like surprise, but I'm going to surprise you with this. This is Parmesan cheese made by Kraft Parmesan Cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. I'm going to get in a little bit closer so you guys can see the full permeation of this. Sprinkle the Parmesan cheese on gingerly. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of Frank's Red Hot Original Sauce. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Alright, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on top. Look at that. Just like that. Just a drizzle. Alright. Well, that's how you make spaghetti with meatballs made by Chef Boyardee and Chef Wrath. Absolute goodness. You're going to have to try this out. It's a really good recipe of mine. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like the recipe. If not, I can tweak the recipe a little bit. But that's spaghetti with meatballs by Mr.Wrath with assistance from Chef Boyardee. Absolute goodness.